Welcome to MochaEase, your all-in-one business operations platform. In this video, we'll help you create your account and get started in less than 10 minutes. Step 1. From our website, click Get Started or choose Create Account from the sign-in page. Step 2. Enter your name, email ID, business name, then select your business type: restaurant, cafe, retail, or salon. Enter number of outlets. Now enter a strong password. Once you're done, you'll land on your MochaEase dashboard, your command center. Here, add your first outlet. Enter your outlet's name and address. Don't worry, you can add more later. Here's a quick overview of the dashboard. Business settings, where you'll set up outlets, categories, products, and employees. Profile settings, where you can update your details, password, and preferences. Billing center, where you'll manage your subscription and invoices. And that's it. Your MochaEase account is now set up. In the next tutorial, we'll show you how to add your products and categories.